Good morning, y'all. Welcome to a new vlog. Happy Saturday. It is a bright and early end of August Saturday morning here. I cannot believe this is the last weekend of August of 2025. It's insane. We are starting off this morning by going over to a little flower shop pop-up that they're doing in my little area, and I've been really wanting to go to one of these, but I never find out about them until after. But they had posted a few days ago and I remembered, so we're gonna go get ourselves a nice fresh bouquet of Saturday morning flowers while also supporting a small business, which is just like the best thing ever because you're hitting two birds with one stone. As you guys know, I love my little bouquets that I keep in my house just because I don't have a ton of decor yet. So for me, fresh flowers can really just like, you know, emphasize my space, make it a little bit nicer. But yeah, I just want to quickly hop on and say hi, good morning. Let's have ourselves a good next few days. I'm really just enjoying bringing you guys around life for the mundane moments. Real quick, if you're new here, let me give you my spiel. My name is Adrienne. I'm 28. I lived abroad for 6 years, and this is my first year back in the States. I was living in South Korea. So everything in my life right now is very kind of new, you know, like I've been back in America for a while, so it's not that America is new to me, but for example, like August, I have not been in America in the month of August in 6 years. So stuff like that is just really fun and new. It feels like I'm very much in like a new chapter of my life right now. Very much just like feel like I'm living my, not necessarily Carrie Bradshaw era, because, you know, I'm not in New York City and I'm not nearly as fun as she is, but I feel like you guys get what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm babbling now, so let me just finish up my coffee, throw these sunglasses on, and let's just go have ourselves a really fun, cute, and wholesome Saturday morning. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Whoa, and there's actually basil in here. Oh my gosh. My little city. Okay, what a cutie little moment that was. This is your sign to go out and just do fun stuff like that by yourself. I had to kind of pre-plan. Like I think I saw that like an ad that they were doing it a few days ago, and I made sure to remember to go. But it literally just like fills your cup up. I was so happy on the walk back, and I actually ran into a group of my friends who don't live anywhere near here, which was just really funny that I ran into them. So what a lovely morning. I already have these daisies here, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this bouquet on my counter or over by my window, but let's go ahead and vase her up. I just love bouquets because there's such an art to it. Like it literally takes a while for a nice bouquet to be made. I let the florist have like free roam with it. He asked me if I had any like things I wanted him to do, and I was like, no, you just take it away. This is honestly such a nice, yeah, we should put this in the kitchen. Something I found myself doing over the past few months is finding so much joy in very, very simple things, like, for example, making fig jam with all the figs in my parents' backyard. Now, I know this is very niche. Not everyone has a big fig tree, but I really want to encourage you guys as the seasons change to like carve out time in your weekends if you can to do some kind of fun solo activity like this for yourself, or, you know, with friends too. But like something as simple as chopping up a bunch of fruit and making a jam out of it, it's like a whole activity, and it just feels very fulfilling. I know it releases some kind of endorphins in the brain, but I just really wanted to encourage you guys. If you want to make a jam like this, you literally just like cut up a bunch of fruit and simmer it. You can add sugar if you want, but you don't have to. And then I was like, you know what? We're already on a roll. Let's just make a whole little to-go mini charcuterie board and take it back to my parents' house and enjoy a little picnic. So here's some more inspo. If you guys are looking to do something fun this fall, this is your sign to make your own little solo charcuterie board, bring it to the park, or take it into your backyard and just have a moment with a book. It's very lovely. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. We are about to go have ourselves a time. We're doing new things today. We are number one, getting a library card. I've been meaning to do this for a while and I just haven't penciled it into my schedule, but I want to start checking more books out of the library because I've been reading a lot more, and it's obviously just like way smarter to check books out than have to constantly buy them all the time. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. I have a decent amount of work that I need to do, and I'm thinking we can try out a new cafe, or maybe we'll end up just working in the library. I'm not really sure how that's gonna go, but I would really like to stop at a cafe and try somewhere new because I've been in the habit of going to the same places here. Let me get my bag packed up. I'm wondering, what are the girls using for bags who are like taking their stuff out on the go? And I mean like computers, iPads, cameras, like water bottle. What is a cute little bag? Because I've been using my Trader Joe's one, which is fun, but I want something that looks a little bit nicer. Nothing too nice, like not too business professional, but something that looks a little nicer. If y'all have any recommendations, let me know. But I definitely do feel like I have my bag packing situation down to a science. Like I've got my cameras, SD card reader, lip balm, got my iPad. Did you guys know I do all my work on an iPad? I barely even use a laptop. Got my portable charger. I was actually gifted this by INU. They sell these on Amazon. They're like one of Amazon's top rated portable chargers, and I've been fully converted to this one. I have used so many portable chargers throughout my life, especially when I was in Korea doing all of those work trips. I would be like out of the house for hours and hours, and I became like reliant on a portable charger. And the issue I always had was they were always too big and bulky. Like I remember going to stores and they never had some kind of small one, and this has just been a complete lifesaver. It is so small. Let me show you guys this. It's like half the size of my AirPods, and I love how you don't have to even think about remembering to bring a cord because the lanyard is the cord. Like how fun and nifty is that? And they actually have two of the little ports right there. This little thing, can y'all believe this? This tiny little thing charges my iPad. Like how? Ever since moving back to the States, one way I definitely have changed is I'm so much more impatient, okay? Because, you know, Korea has the Bali culture, get everything done fast. And when I charge my devices here, I'm very impatient, and holy cow, this thing will bring your phone from like 0 to 50% in 25 minutes. I'm not joking, it does it that fast. So I just wanted to shout out INU. Thank you so much for gifting this to me and for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to get your hands on one of these, I will have them linked below. As I said, they're on Amazon and they have so many cute little colors. Next time I gotta get like a pink or a blue or something, but right now I've just got white. Get a library card.
Do you have any photo ID?
Yes.
Would you like to put an email on your account?
No, it's okay. low-key have such a good health and wellness selection here. They have all these books on exercise and yoga, all these books on foods and dieting. I almost decided to bring this one home with me. It's about food sensitivities, but I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'd rather spend time right now reading about something besides diet, but I'm really interested in coming back and learning about that. What else do they have? Power foods. Ooh, self-care. Heck yeah.
Right here, Thomas. We need it up here. Can you put the book up on the glass?
Morning. It is actually the next day now. I've had such a nice past like hour in bed reading some of the book that I got yesterday. This one is really good. It's about just like kind of comparing the like femininities between Jackie and Marilyn Monroe. So love it so far. I mean, I'm only just now getting started. I wanted to wrap this video up just by having a very short chat, kind of continuing the conversation that I was talking to you guys about when we were making the fig jam, just about like finding beauty in the mundane and romanticizing the small things. And I know I sound like a broken record because you guys have heard so many content creators be like, you know, romanticize the small things. But seriously, as somebody who has moved into a completely new cultural environment and just like atmosphere over the past year, my selection of, you know, things to do are a lot different from when I was living in Asia. And, you know, it's true, I don't have hundreds of cafes to pick from here, but it's okay because I'm finding new things around here that are sparking like new feelings of joy. So for example, you know, making jam or going to get a library card, like doing new things like that. I am finding ways to feel more fulfilled by them, and I just really encourage you guys to do that. When you go out of your way to like make small activities into like, you know, happy, exciting things, you get excited over little things, it makes life so much more fun. I'm also very curious, what are the things that you guys do in your daily life that you get extra sparks of joy from? So I'm sure for some of y'all it's going out and buying a new book, or maybe going to play pickleball or something like that. I'm just curious, what are some very simple activities that you do that spark joy? Because I'm always looking for new things to do in my life, but then also I just love hearing about things that make other people happy. Yeah, I also keep reminding myself that the era of life that I'm in right now, like single in my late 20s, living alone, I have so much freedom to be able to just like go out and go to a flower bouquet pop-up if I want to. You know, I don't really have much other responsibility besides my dog and paying my bills. So the fact that I have that freedom, I feel even more inclined to get out and do stuff. But yeah, that's about all I wanted to say on that. I am going to spend the rest of my morning starting my little fall Pinterest board, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys in an upcoming video. I can't believe it's September. It's still very warm here, but I know within the next few weeks things are going to start changing. So I'm getting a head start now on my fall mood board. I love to hear what kind of content do you guys want to see on my channel this fall. What are you guys going to be up to this fall? Let me know everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope some of you could maybe gain some inspo from it. If you're still watching, comment below the picnic basket emoji in honor of the little charcuterie picnic we did. I love you guys so much. Feel free to head over to Instagram for more behind the scenes. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next vlog.